Hi guys, it's Katie and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am making banana bread and I'm just a chef, so you guys are gonna see it happen. I don't know, I'm a cooking channel now, what can I say? The shirt is from Rex Orange County merch. I got it at the concert. Go watch my video that I just posted. But yeah, so I have this little recipe here. I have this little recipe here with me. You can take a screenshot if you'd like. Ooh la la. Okay. And my mom added little notes and whatnot in case you wanted to see those as well. So yeah, let's go. I have all of my ingredients right here, and we got our bananas and we got our flour and sugar, and yeah, we're just gonna get started, I guess. So I've already preheated the oven, and now I need to grease and flour my pan. So actually, first I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm in foods and nutrition right now, so I'm a really good baker at this time. Okay, I have my margarine, or however you say it. And now, sugar. Okay, so we have a banana bread here. Ding, and I am going to eat a piece for your enjoyment. Here's my aesthetic bread cutting. Yay, bread. Think. Tastes pretty good to me. Tastes like banana bread. Well, that's the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Here are my socials. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. I will see you guys next week. Bye.